and welcome back to Epic Restorationz. With summer in full bloom, car season is revving up. Last week we got sidetracked and took a break from the Model A to head up north to St. Ignace, Michigan for one of our favorite auto events of the year. Join us for Cruise Weekend and the St. Ignace Car Show as Epic Neon gets sidetracked.
Yeah, we can do that. I'll head up that direction.
We arrived on Thursday, unloaded the cars, and headed downtown to cruise the strip of St. Ignace. In true American graffiti style, many of the classics in attendance cruised up and down the lakeshore late into the evening. With so many cars and characters at a show like this, when night falls, you just never know what you're going to see.
Good Lord. Get them out of here. Get them out of here.
Friday was cruise day. Before restrictions for the bug were lifted, the organizers of the show arranged for several cruises throughout Michigan's Upper Peninsula. Our crew decided to head west to the bridge to visit the top of the Lake Snowmobile Museum. Located in Nobbinway, Michigan, on the uppermost tip of Lake Michigan, is the Snowmobile Museum. Opening July 4th, 2007, the museum is home to antique and vintage snowmobiles, memorabilia, and historical literature. One of the most interesting sleds in the museum was the 1926 Model T snowmobile. This Model T suspension was built in Ossipee, New Hampshire, which is also where the track conversion kit was originally built. The track kit was named Snowmobile in 1917, which incidentally happens to be the first time the word snowmobile was ever used. With our trip to the museum complete, we hit the road back to St. Ignace to get ready for tomorrow's big show. Saturday arrived with the main event. We took the cars downtown early and got them ready for the show. With rain in the forecast for early afternoon, we wanted to get set up and ready with lots of time to enjoy the many cars that lined State Street. Overall, it was a great weekend, a chance to get out with the guys and enjoy some classic cars. As the rain began to fall, it was time to pack up and head for home. Next week, it's back home and back to work on the Model A. We'll see you all again soon on Epic Restorationz.